Okay guys, in today's video I'm going to show you a good method, a free high traffic method that you can use with any affiliate marketing product that you want. I'm going to use Clickbank in this particular method to show you this, but you can use Digistore 24, you can use Warrior Plus, you can use CPA offers, any affiliate marketing offer that you want to use or to market to make money with, you can do it with this particular method here today. So if that sounds good to you and you're interested in a good affiliate marketing method, stick around. We're going to get started on it right after this. First of all, like I usually do, for those of you that are new to my videos and this is your first time here to my channel or my videos, my name is Kevin Lehner with the Freedom Motivator channel here. And if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, reach down there right now below your video, click on that subscribe button, and don't forget to click that little notification bell there right beside it so that you can come and take immediate advantage of new video uploads that I do regularly here on this channel. Okay? Alright, let's get out of that and move on to this method here. It's a really good method. We've got a few steps to go through, guys, and you want to stick around because I've got two bonus sites that I'm going to show you later in the video to help you even exponentially grow your income with this method. Alright? And it's 100% free and can be done from anywhere in the world. Okay? Now, because if you can't access Clickbank, you can certainly access Digistore 24, and that goes the same with any other affiliate network. If you can't access it, you can always go to digistore24.com and use the products there. Okay? Alright, so let's get started on this. Like I said, we're going to use Clickbank to show this method today, and I have stepped ahead just a little bit in this video to help shorten the time down. And so what we're going to do is you want to come to Clickbank, and the same with any other affiliate marketer. You want to get signed up, get your account validated with the email, and then come back and you want to get signed in, get logged into your account, come up here like in Clickbank, and you click on Marketplace like you see right up here, and that brings us to the Marketplace page. Now, I have already stepped ahead, and I chose a weight loss product for this particular method today. Again, you can choose any product that you want to do this with. Now, the product that I'm choosing is BioFit right here. You can see it right here where my mouse is. Can make about $180.61 per sale on this, and it does have recurring billing on a monthly basis, as you see right there where my mouse is, guys. So if we click on the sales page right here, you can see that it's a good sales letter, a good, really pretty good laid out sales letter here. Video sales letter, I should say. It's the nice thing about this is it's stuff your face and lose weight. So they're talking about people can eat whatever they want and as much as they want and still lose weight. All right. So we're going to use this product, and once we do that here in a moment, we will be coming back to click promote right here and get our affiliate link. But that will be coming here in a little bit. So the next thing we want to do, because what we're going to be using ebooks, guys, to market this particular product. Now, I came over here. You can do the same, guys. There's a lot of them that you can use, but you can come over here to freeplrdownloads.com. You see it right there in the address bar. And come over here. Now, I've already, like I said, stepped ahead a little bit. And I came down here in their niche cloud right here, and I simply clicked on weight loss right here, guys. You see where my mouse is. And then I chose this book. There were many books that I could have chose, but I chose this book right here. It's Eat More, and Eat More and Not Less to Lose Weight. So it really is congruent with our product of BioFit about stuffing your face, eating more, and still being able to lose weight. So it's very congruent. So you want to make sure that the product that you pick and the ebook that you pick for this method is congruent across the board, right? So there's no discrepancies. And then I came down here, and I come down. You never want to click on these ads, guys. Just come on down here, and where you see that button right there, that blue button, it's the download button right there, and I downloaded it to my computer. Now, once it's downloaded to your computer and extracted on your hard drive, then you want to come back, and we're going to come over here and use this site because we're going to edit the PDF file, the ebook, and we're going to put our affiliate link in the ebook. So the site we're using for that is Sejda, Sejda.com. I've used this site many times in my other videos, guys. See it right here in the address bar. Sejda, Sejda.com. It's a PDF editor. It's 100% free to use it. You do not have to sign up or anything about this on this site. It is free to use. So what we want to do is we want to upload our PDF file right here so that we can edit in our affiliate link, right? So I'm going to click right here, and it's going to bring that up. I'm going to come to where my ebook is at right here, Eat More, Not Less to Lose Weight. And I've already extracted it, and I'm going to upload the PDF file as you see it right here, guys. So we'll click on that, and that uploads, and you can see that here is the ebook right here. Alrighty. So what we want to do is we want to put our affiliate links about in 3 places throughout this ebook, right? Because we're going to be giving this ebook away for free on our very extremely high traffic website. In fact, like I said, I have 2 other ones that I'm going to tell you about later on in the video that you can even exponentially make even more money with your Clickbank products, okay, or whatever affiliate product you're going to use. So we're going to scroll down here a few pages, and I'm going to add in a affiliate link here. I'm going to wait for it to catch up and load here. Okay, let's see here, one step at a time. That's page 8, chapter 2. I think we'll put one, learn more about how to eat all you want and still lose weight right here. Alright, so there we're going to put that link right there, and I'm going to put our affiliate link in here. Actually, I think I might even just make that whole thing a link right there if it will allow us to do that. So we'll come up here. Here's our link button right up here, guys. We want to come back here, like I said, and we're going to get our affiliate link right here, and make sure that your account nickname is in the box up here. You can put a tracking ID if you want. I think I will put, like, I'll just want to put in ebook right here, okay, as my tracking line. That way I'll know that it came from this ebook. And we'll click generate to hop link, and you can see it gave us this hop link now. Now we're not going to use this link because it's long and ugly and it will show. We're going to copy it, and of course, we're going to bring that over here too. Tiny URL. I mean, you can use bit.ly if you want, guys. I've been lately here using tiny URL. I like it, seem to like it a little bit better right now. And you see it gave us that link right there, that nice little tiny URL right there. And like I say, I always tell you guys to go ahead and test your links out, right? So we will test that link out right here, and it does. It brings us right over where we're be at, and it's got our affiliate nickname right in it. So then we'll come back here to Sejda, and we will, hopefully it'll let us highlight this again. Yeah, put it over here. We're going to make that whole sentence a link. And when you highlight it like that, see down there, guys, and then you want to put the link to the external URL. This is going to be our tiny URL link right there. And then leave the rest of this as it is, and then just simply close that out. And that makes that a link right there, guys. A couple more pages here, guys. Come down about halfway. I'm going by the scroll bar over here on the right. We'll come down about halfway through the book, and we will add another link right in there as well. We're going to put text. I'm going to go with text right here, and then we'll just type in there, learn more about how to eat all you want and still lose weight here. Alright, and then we're going to click on links right here, and we're going to draw our link box around our lettering right here like this, guys. Boom, let off, and it comes up with this. We'll back this out right here, paste in our tiny URL, and boom, there we go. There's that one there. We'll come down here toward the bottom of this book here, guys. See, it's a pretty good sized book with lots of good information in it. So we will come down here, and we will paste in at the bottom one right here as well. So come text right there. Learn more on how to eat all you want and still lose weight here. Okay, and then we're going to put in, click the link, come and draw our box around it like that, you see? Alright, there you go, guys. And we're going to put our link right in here as well, and then just close that out. And you can see that it's made that a link as well. So that's the end of the book. We got 3 links in our book. After that, once you get that done, all we want to do is we want to click apply the changes down here, right? It says your task is processing, and it should, and we will make sure that our links are there, guys. So if we come down somewhat down through here on our first link, should be there. Yes, it is. And if they click on that, it does. See how it brings you right over? Alright, so we'll come back, and we know once you got your book edited, guys, and you got your links in your book, you want to click right here and download that PDF file right there. Download it back to your computer again. And as you see, you can open it up and it's right there. But now, when it comes, we get it downloaded now, and you got your book edited, you got your links in there for your affiliate product. Then where are you going to market it at? You're going to come over here to this site right here, guys. This site right here is called PDF Slide. You see it right up here in the address bar, guys. It's pdfslide.net. See that right there? And then over here, this site is a site where lots of people come. Like, let's check out the traffic here, guys. If I bring out my similar web, you see right here, and I scroll up, have a look right here. Monthly visits to this site, guys. Almost 2 million people come here and visit this site to read ebooks every single month, guys. So this site is going to be a good one. And what you want to do is you can click on upload a file right here. As you can see that people are getting views. Look at the views on this. There's over 8,000, 2,000, 4,000, 12,000, 3,000, 5,000. These people are getting views on their ebooks that they're uploading here. And you should be able to do the same. So what you want to do is click on upload file right here. And it will ask you to register to the site. Now you can do a local account right here, guys, if you want. Or you can just simply come over here and click on sign in. And you can sign in with your Facebook account, your Google account, or the local account that you created here if you decided to do that. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and sign in with my Google account here, guys. Now when you get logged in, you see that it gives you this button right here called your dashboard right there. Right there, click on that, and it's going to clear out the ad here, and it brings you over here to this page right here, and you see it says no data found on available documents, and any documents that are processing, and then upload files. So you want to click on upload a file here. And you, like I said, this is free to join this site. Any of these things I'm going to show you, the whole thing is 100% free, guys. Alright, so then you want to scroll down here, scroll down on the window here, and it's asking you to give your file a name. Give your book a name. Well, eat more, not less, to lose weight. That's the name of the book right there. Now the category, you guys, as you can see, there are all kinds of categories here that you can choose. Obviously, I'm going to pick the healthcare right here. And now you can put tags in here. How about weight loss? Okay, separate them by commas. Lose weight, health. Anything that you think people will type into the search engine on this site, right, that will bring your PDF file or your ebook up so that they can see it. Let's see what else. There's belly fat, lose belly fat. Yeah, just anything that you can think of that somebody might type into the search engine. Now for the description, guys, what we're going to do is we're going to probably take about that. Come back to the ebook. Let's come back to the book, and we'll copy this first paragraph right here, and we will paste that into there just like that. And then it wants us to upload our ebook, right? So we're going to come back to our downloads, and it's this one right here that we edited with our links in there, our affiliate links, right? And there you go. As you can see, it's uploading there. All right, it is done uploading, and then it's just a matter of clicking on submit, guys. And you can see right here it says uploaded successfully. And it says we are processing your uploaded file. Thank you. Now, guys, that's how you do that. This is going to get viewed by many, many people. Now, I'm going to told you there's two other sites I want to show you here real quick. Like, how about this site right here, guys? Another site just like PDF slide. It's iDocPub. You see it right up here in the address bar. iDocPub. iDoc.pub. I'm sorry. iDoc.pub. This site, guys, you can do the very same thing. It's free, and they have documents you can upload. Look at the traffic here on this site, guys. If I scroll up here, 1.5 million people per month come here. So you want to get your ebook up on this site as well. Gives you more traffic, right? How about this site right here? There's another one right here, guys. nanopdf.com. You see it right up here in the address bar. nanopdf.com. This is the same thing. Free to register. Free to upload your ebooks here. How about the traffic? nanopdf.com. Look here, guys. 1.9, another 2 million people that you can get your ebook with your affiliate links in front of right here on this site as well. Guys, that is the method that I had for you, the way to drive traffic to a free ebook with your affiliate links in there, and hopefully drive sales to your affiliate products, all for 100% free. Guys, if you like that method, reach down there and give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click that notification bell. And also, if you got any comments, reach down there below in the comment section and leave them down there. And even tell me what country you saw this video from, and I'll get back with you on that as soon as I can. Also, if you want to see my #1 high-ticket affiliate marketing free video presentation, reach down there below in the description, up the top of the description where it says mentorwithkev.com, and come over and see what I have available there that will help you learn the formula on how it is to become a high-ticket affiliate marketer where you can make thousands of dollars in just one day's possibility. Alrighty, guys. Well, guys, I'm going to let you go with that, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days or so on the next exciting money-making video. You guys take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye now.